Hi, this video is part of the Energy Explorers series, brought to you by Piedmont Environmental Alliance. Here's another activity to help understand how we can conserve or use less energy by using energy-efficient products. We'll be looking at these Christmas lights and trying to determine which lights use the most energy. We'll be measuring how much energy the lights use with this watt meter, which measures, you guessed it, how many watts of energy each line of lights uses. So let's take a look at these lights. We've got blinking icicles, snowflakes, and rainbow lights. Which lights do you think will use the most energy? Okay, let's find out. The icicles use 3.5 watts, the snowflakes use 45.2 watts, and the rainbow lights use 40.8 watts. Okay, so what did we find out? We guessed that the icicle lights would use the most energy, but they actually use the least amount of energy, and not by a little. The icicle lights use a lot less energy than the other lights. Based on these numbers and our earlier findings, what type of light bulbs do you think are in the icicles? Yes, these icicles are LED bulbs. They use the most energy efficient light bulb, and therefore they use the least amount of energy. Now, what kind of light bulbs are in these Christmas bulbs? That's right, they use incandescent light bulbs, the least energy efficient light bulb. Now let's do a test to figure out if these lights are definitely incandescent. I'm going to ask my assistant to hold her hands over three types of lights. What do you notice? Every light bulb except for the LED is hot. One of the reasons why incandescent light bulbs use so much more energy is because they don't just produce light, they also produce heat. This is especially problematic during the summertime when we want our houses to be cooler, not hotter. If we use incandescent light bulbs, we'll probably have to run our fans and AC even more and waste even more energy. How many of you have been to a hairdresser and gotten your hair washed and dried? Did they use a blow dryer? So a blow dryer is another example of wasting energy through the release of heat. Some of the energy used to power the hairdryer doesn't go to drying your hair, but instead making that hairdryer very hot. So we know that we make energy by burning coal, which is bad for our planet and our health. But we can conserve or save energy by using energy efficient products like LED light bulbs. LED light bulbs last longer than other light bulbs, use less energy, and won't heat up your house, which means they are better for the earth and cost way less money.